The butterfly haircut gives a voluminous and layered look, perfect for styling. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and Salon and Academy. I'm gonna share with you how to do butterfly haircut. Comb your hair thoroughly to make it smooth. The top section from the crown of your head to just above your ears. Decide the length you want to trim. Use scissors to trim uneven part and ensure the layers blend seamlessly. The butterfly haircut is a trendy style that gives the illusion of shorter layers around the face while keeping the length at the back. Achieving this at the home is possible with a bit of precise and patience. Release all section and brush thoroughly to check the layers. Use scissors to trim uneven part and ensure the layers blend seamlessly. Tips for success: start with small trim to avoid cutting too much. Use sharp scissors for clean cut. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.